In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a moving or animated banner in Google Sites. To get started, open your browser and go to Google Sites. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll see a list of your existing sites, as well as an option to create a new one. If you're not signed in yet, just log in with your Google account so you can access your sites. Before we jump into the actual upload, there's one important thing to understand about Google Sites. Google Sites does not currently allow you to set a regular video file, like an MP4, directly as a background or header image. The best workaround is to turn your short video into a high-quality GIF file and then use that GIF as the background image. You can use popular tools such as online GIF converters or design platforms to do this. When you export or download the GIF, make sure it isn't too large, otherwise it may affect how fast your page loads. Short, looping clips work best for this kind of banner. Once your GIF is ready and saved on your device, go back to Google Sites. From the main Google Sites dashboard, click on the site where you want to add the moving banner. This opens the site in edit mode where you can change the design and content. At the top of the page, move your mouse over the header area, which is the large section that usually contains your site title or main image. When you hover over this header, you'll see some options appear, including an image icon with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that image drop-down. This is where you can change the header image for your site. From the options that appear, choose Upload. This tells Google Sites that you want to upload a file from your computer or device, rather than selecting from their gallery. A file picker window will open. Navigate to the folder where you saved your GIF. Click on the GIF that you created from your video, then confirm the upload. Google Sites will upload the GIF and apply it as your header image. Once it finishes, you should see your banner animating in the header area. At this point, remember to use the preview option to check how it looks on desktop and mobile, and when you're happy with it, don't forget to publish your site so visitors can see your new moving banner.